Market just opened. I took a. This is what is it? 13th of November 2023. I took a short here, closed half here, and closed the other half here. I'm waiting for. Why I did this? I took that short based on pushing to this volume. So that's my favorite short. I want to push the volume. I just trapped the volume and yeah, it just went down. Now I will have to take overnight sweep, but Nasdaq broke the bottom. Nasdaq broke this bottom, overnight bottom. Yes, it still got something here. So yeah, also did. So I'm kind of waiting for US to do that as well. We'll see if it will do it or not. And we will start to turn around. It's 15 past 2. And we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe they just want to build this volume, get people long, and then sweep it and come back up. That's the pullback. That is possible. On Friday we pushed quite high. Let me just bring that. And that's the pullback. That pullback would be 17. Let's have a look from the bottom here. It's not the one. So that would be 38% pullback if we get down here. 405. We have single prints there as well. That you can see. That you can see here. Single prints here. 4, 5, they start, they finish here. This can be obviously this kind of move. But I am expecting, if we take this down, we'll bounce, come back to this level, and then we can continue lower. We'll see. Very close to overnight. No. $47. So let's say they're gonna stay here for another 13 minutes. Swap it and go back. Or we'll drop earlier somewhere here and they will bounce back. Anyway, I'm flat now, so I'm just gonna wait. They're building this volume here. If we push higher, I'm gonna short again. Yeah, and Q just kind of sitting here. Maybe it comes back here. It's a measure moved from here. So I'd like to see is drop at 3 o'clock, take overnight low, maybe come back. Nice little push. I want more. I want some more here.
Order submitted.
Maybe I just go 5.
Order canceled.
Yeah. This is view up. But 16 we have session view up. This is how we opened. Our market likes to come back. Also looking at Nasdaq. If Nasdaq comes back into this range, then there will be the strap longs. That's not a lot of volume because this is from pre-market. But we'll see. Let's just see where they could go. They could go up here. 15, 16. They like this 68%. Mm-hmm. 62% is here. First truck people are getting out. Yeah, it's a reaction here. No, they're gonna pull it down. Okay, so that was the place. Okay. And Q is going down. Russell holding. Whoever was short here, they took them out. Session view up is up here. Maybe on a second push we'll get that, but we have 7 minutes. 7 minutes, and we will have stop losses down here. And that's the liquidity. They should go and take it. If the intention is to go higher. If not, then they can just still go and take it. Yeah, so I didn't use the opportunity I had. Well, I was thinking first initially that it will push here. like it pushed here. Maybe I should draw this kind of levels here. There you go. There you go. So they just dropped. Now they grabbed. Now they're gonna grab overnight.
Order cancelled.
That would be a beautiful trade. 6 points. Nasdaq is falling. Okay, 405 possible target. That will be 38%. This obviously can be played draw like this as well. Yeah, so that 1 leg second. So we'll see. I'm doing it before a full hour, which usually means they're grabbing liquidity, coming back up because they want to sell it up there. If they don't wait for the full hour, this is what it means most of the time. So they want to build up. So let's think about, so we had some shorts taken out, now they took longs. Nasdaq is really down. ES is holding. Russell still here. Dollar is kind of falling. Whoever was jumping on that right now. Short. It will be trapped. They did take shorts out. Now they are coming back. Looks decent. Delta pushing. 905. I was some buying here. 32. Okay. Got 2 more minutes. Stop losses are here for this A period. Interesting. Should go long then. I'll try to go up here.
Order submitted.
View up again.
Order cancelled.
Liquidity swap. As I said before, if they're doing before the full hour, the intention is to trap shorts. In this particular situation, shorts, and start driving it up. It's very difficult now to get long, so they took longs out. They took shorts out first. Now they took longs out, and and they have longs. They have longs from all night, meaning, and they can drive this up Okay, view up. Giving a little bit of resistance. 59. Let's see. Let me just push through that. I feel like I need to be in it because, but that's the most difficult part with liquidity swap. Sometimes they just don't leave you time to get back. Oh yeah. I mean, ideal situation.
Order submitted.
Is this here? $110. Right.
Order submitted.
Here's my stop loss. That's there. Ah. No, I hope they're not gonna go lower than that. We'll just attack the top and we'll try this into the stops up there.
Order submitted.
Come on.
Order submitted.
Beautiful. Yep. Yeah, let's see. They took shorts out, they dropped, they took longs out overnight low. Now they're gonna try to drive this up. They have to because they have longs. And they need to sell them. So let's hold this now. It can drop low obviously. But if it does, then we'll have to get lower, get back lower. Dollar is falling. I like that. Let's just hold this. I'm gonna sell 5 here.
Order submitted.
I mean, if they take this view up, then we're gonna fly. We're gonna fly here. Okay, I'm gonna take 5.
Order cancelled.
Let's hold the rest. So we paid ourselves. And hopefully we're just gonna push now into
Order submitted.
into open. Yep, let's go. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . to buy more. Sitting on the view up. That's technically 17. This is where I should go. Oh yeah. Not gonna allow this to go lower because they haven't taken that high yet. So I'm okay with the stop loss where it is. Nasdaq is reversing as well. Might take a while because Nasdaq will need to push into this level first. We're gonna have trapped buyers here, so we can just stay here for a while. But he clearly wants to go higher. All of those indices, they need to know kind of what they're gonna do. Just gonna, oh yeah, okay, ES is pushing, Nasdaq is thinking about going as well. So they will be, people will be shifting towards buying now. Now we get that push. Especially that we took this overnight low. So my stop loss technically should be still below here. So it's just resting here because I want to move it up here once we take out this top. If we take this top out, and I'm gonna move my stop loss break even. See a push into 416. Yeah. Basically till open. That's why I'm gonna close my 5. Good. Come on, let's go. Don't make me close this thing. Nasdaq is touching. Yeah, Nasdaq is touching the top. I mean the bottom of the range. And that's the problem. We can reverse now a little bit. We could reverse right now, but let's see if ES wants to do it. Because now we took that and I can just, okay, they sold a little bit here. Yeah, that's the problem. Now I'm worried about my stop loss. Now they can take me out. Good. Fine, thanks God they reversed. Let's go. For fuck's sake. I'm fighting here. But this is VWAP, so we should hold this VWAP. We should hold that VWAP. Because dropping below VWAP, it will be very bearish. If they want to drive this higher, they need to stay above VWAP. Okay, so let's close one here. If we get up there. For fuck's sake. Dollar is falling, which is good. Come on. No, I'm not gonna. Still valid trade, even with the stop loss below here. They clearly want to go higher. 700. Why did I move this thing? What was that? Oh, that was a stop loss hunt. Good. Okay, Nasdaq is approaching this level one more time. Let's see if they can make it. They can be accepted. Aye. Fuck. Okay, I'm closing.
Order filled. Yes, this can still go higher, but I'm not gonna risk 10. Okay, let this thing just flash a little bit. Huh. There you go. You're gonna be watching this thing going up in a second. Still negative. Okay, I'm gonna go. Order
I'm gonna
submitted.
go 5. I just need to be in this thing because I know this is still valid trade. Unfortunately, I closed it. Yeah, close it here. If we go lower, I will buy more.
Order submitted.
It might be the move might happen at 15. So why we drop? Because Enki just got here and boom, these guys, they just got out. Yeah, they sold into this. Okay, so Nasdaq is back and it looks like it is going to be accepted. It's going to be accepted. So now we should go up. View options here. 16. 15. Trying to add into this position, but no, probably. It's too late. Okay, It's 50. We need to push for it. It's 50.
Order cancelled.
All right, then. I'll just hold this now. Hopefully we broke VWAP. I mean, there will be reaction with the VWAP stuff. Need to close this at the VWAP. Fortunately, there's no other way.
Order filled.
So now we have to wait for another opportunity to get long. So all good. Unfortunately, we didn't close here because it was a bit too early. I can still chop around here because now Nasdaq is at VWAP as well, so they got synchronized, and now we can get a pullback. Maybe even here to 500. And that means that we could get in one more time.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Let's see if the intention is to sell up here. Because now they really pulled whoever was long at the open, they pulled them out. We have a little bit of trap buyers in here, so they are getting out. They are getting out. Every time we approach this level, they are getting out. So I will try to sell this 5 somewhere here. Yeah, we'll see how this candle closes. It's still got 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So NQ dropped below that level, but let's see if it's going to be accepted in the range. If it is, then all good. Bouncing off that 15 minutes candle. Trapped shorts. Okay. Last 2 minutes on this candle. So to pull like that. Pull, grab the liquidity, get back to VWAP, try one more time. Now a little bit of those trap longs, they managed to get out here. They've been pulled down here, they've been getting out. I will put the stop loss back into break even, because if we drop now, then now is the question, should I close here or should I just hold this up there? Are we gonna take this? That means that when we need to take that view up first, and that would be a fantastic if we could do it, because then we could just drive even up there, meaning we can drive even up here to 26. That'll be a wonderful trade. And 26 up there, because if we break above that VWAP, session VWAP, we'll take over, we'll push over this volume. 26 is possible.
because we haven't got a lot of, I mean, yeah, definitely this volume again will be a problem because we only touched once. But technically speaking, people had stop losses below here. Even those guys, those longs, they had stop losses below here. So if we drop, when we drop down here, they probably got rid of positions. So. And this is pre-market volume, which is not as big as the session volume. RTH session, this is RTH. So I'm gonna hold this, I think, 20, push through this and continue up. It's only 5 contracts, but I am willing to hold this. Okay, this is looking promising. 12, might even add if we drop the view up one more time. Because this is still a valid long trade. Break above. We're sitting above VWAP on RTH. So RTH, this is session. VWAP, it will mean less and less because the main volume is on RTH now. But obviously people are still taking profits in this area. Got 9 more minutes. One more pull somewhere here.
Order submitted.
To view up 12. Let's see. 700, 300, 396, 207, 37. I mean, the question is, they could always pull this down because in 8 minutes we'll have as well stop losses down here. So I need to be aware of that. Unfortunately, my position is just at the view up. And if they decide to drop, okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'll just
Order cancelled.
keep it 5, 11. I have to give more space, really. I need to give more space. Basically here, if we drop below, then we go lower. So that's my risk, and this is my reward up here. One, 2, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere here, actually. I'm not going to do 1 tick below. Technically, just below here. This is what I should do. 237, 800. We'll see. Okay, so the view up is skipping it. 20 moving average on 1 minute, 50 moving. So we are trading above 20, above 50, above view up. All looking good.
for that long. Delta is increasing. Do I want to add 1,000? 5 more minutes. This candle be here. It can be down here or it can be up there. Because that's what it means basically. It can be either up there at the end or it can be down here. Nasdaq is holding. They've been buying. In my opinion, they have it. They swapped this candle. They swapped that candle. Now they swapped that candle, so they have longs. I don't need to go down here because everything has been swapped so far. Unless they just want to continue lower, actually loading up shorts. Yeah. Is that also possible? But we'll find out soon. 4 minutes. Nasdaq is looking really good, bouncing off that level. I just need to close above view up, and then we're gonna go. That's what's gonna happen. It can happen. Or if we dump it down here, then we're gonna go lower. Delta. 3 more minutes. And we're gonna have stop losses here as well. Yeah, that's correct. We'll have stop losses as well here. So we will have stop losses basically about this candle. Let's put that stop losses. We have stop losses. Ugh. Yeah. And obviously we have stop losses up here. There we go. Going. 2 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4th time knocking on the door. With decent volume, decent delta. Delta is increasing. 2 more minutes. Actually, 1 more minute. Use the short stops for pushing through. And pushing through that volume as well. Part of these people already closed somewhere here. Delta looking decent. I'm thinking about adding. I should add, but I'm kind of conservative. Don't want to add at this point. I will just hold because if we push, we go up there. And we can even push up to here, 22. So I mean, at this point,
this candle has to go up. If it breaks lower, then we're going down. That's pretty much a situation. Let's quickly have a look what is doing NQ is as well trying to break the through view up. It's a session view up. If we do it, we're going up. Yeah, now we have stop losses. Stop losses are here. Should push through that. Shorts will start to close and we should get an acceleration to the top. But every single time when they sell, because they're going to sell a little bit, there'll be a lot of buying going on here. If I had 10 contracts, I would be selling 5 here and holding the rest. But this time I have only 5. So I'm running half of my position. So I'm gonna hold. If I push, I hope we're gonna get a push up there. Just touched. I don't know what they're doing now. They're pulling it down, but on small volume. So what are they trying to do? Just okay, maybe they're just trying to pull these guys one more time before they hit the stop losses. 14, 17, 75. Got some buyers in here. 15, we have some buyer. But got some sellers as well at 14, 50. Okay, we'll see. Nasdaq is looking better. Nasdaq is already breaking the view up. And we'll probably push. There we go. So stop losses are breaking. This is imbalance. Stop losses are breaking. Now it's dangerous. You can break the stop loss in reverse. But I think, and I'm willing to risk, that we will continue up. So I'm going to monitor this very close. I like that 1650. Somebody bought 23 contracts here on a yes. That's a lot. That's a decent trader. 1650. Somebody bought. Okay, I've got somebody selling 19. Probably these guys. Yeah, we are pushing on a good delta. Target is the top. There we go. There we go. That's the first target. And the second target will be up there. But we'll have to close. We can't be greedy. We'll have to close up here. So they went through that, through half of that volume. So whoever was long, they could close. Some people are closing. But we're just going to continue. They have a lot of longs. All overnight longs. All of them. Because now I think they're gonna drive this. I think they're gonna, because they have all of those longs. A lot of volume. Everything. Where should they drive it? I should drive it up here as a minimum. This is not enough volume here. I don't see it. I don't see this as a decent volume to sell. So I'm gonna hold this. Let's just hold it straight. I know somebody's taking profit. But I like this delta, 1,700. I like that delta a lot. a level 2, but I can still see. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Not a lot of volume here to sell into. But again, we will have a little bit of resistance. But if someone was long for 20, they would be probably out at 407. So let's see. Let's see if we try this higher than that. Because if I close this trade, then two things can happen. This can just continue going up, and I'm gonna watch this frustrated. Or I don't think they're gonna reverse. There's no point to reverse here. We're too high to reverse at this point. Way too high. We didn't break. We didn't reverse at 62%. That's the typical reverse. It's just gonna push. Just gonna push for sure into this level. And then when you look at this, there's no volume here. There's like, I mean, there's overnight volume, but 29. I really want to hold this. This can accelerate, really go. I wanna hold this. Push and keep going up to sell. Definitely there will be a problem here because of this trap the volume for Friday. Still looks decent. Above VWAP, above session VWAP, 20 moving. It's just holding now. It's just all about holding it. Yeah. It's quite secure position. I'm just gonna just give one tick. I'm gonna hold this. It's just the time, nothing else. Sometimes I just ask myself a question: would I be selling here? The answer is no. Why would you sell here? We pushed, we're holding, we'll continue up. So this could have been a good sale if we dropped, but so far we're holding. And if we close this candle in 40 seconds above this volume, it's gonna continue up. Waiting for the 20 moving average to come, waiting for 50 moving average to come, waiting for VWAP to start going up as well. We're holding longs, we're having them. So everything is above you up, above you up here. Nasdaq and S&P. Obviously not Russell, but Russell is just trading the way it wants to. Okay, dollar is pushing a little bit. I don't like that, but it should turn around here. Okay. Back to 20. They just want to buy more. That's what they want to do. They don't need to rush anywhere. They bought here. They're gonna be buying. They'll be buying here. They pull this level. They can buy more here. Then push. They can push at 4 p.m. in 20 minutes. Through that stop losses and then continue up. Just buy more and push it up later. Oh yeah, we're trading above the open, so that's the pink one. It's horizontal line, pink one. It's the open as well. So this volume has been already taken out. It's not a problem anymore because whoever wanted to get out, they just got out here. Last longs. So yeah. And this candle, the top of this candle doesn't have much volume. Those few shorts, like me, but we closed here, we closed here. They had so much time to close. I mean, they're not gonna propel this move as much. I mean, they're not gonna give an opportunity to sell into that. Yeah. So if these buyers, I mean, if banks who bought that bottom, want to sell, so they sold a little bit here. Not really. Are they gonna be selling in here? It's not much volume to buy it from them. This was just, what was it, 3 minutes, 1 minute up here, few seconds. A little bit of volume here, short volume. Nah, the shorts were in profit, so they will be closing. In overnight lower, they will be closed. There's no volume here. So to sell what we have, and we have a lot, because we have all of that all night. They're driving it up now. They need to sell it up here into overnight high, because we have some shorts here. Shorts are in this range. If we push, we'll be able to sell them here. Well, we have to push up there first. And that is 10 more points. And that's why this is why I'm gonna hold this. Maybe not for that 10 whole points, but we'll see. Here we go. So 343, 345. Everything looking good. There's no risk on this trade anymore. If we go down, I'll just take my $12. If we continue, it'll be good.
Mm. Yeah. Yep. So we pushed into that. All right. Okay. We got somebody selling a little bit, but beautiful. Beautiful. We're approaching this volume, which can give us a little bit of trouble. But as I said, they probably closed here. We should be pushing. Let's go. Let's quickly have a look on the volume profile as well. What do we see on the volume profile? Yeah, there's a little bit of volume here. That's why we get that hiccup. This is basically that volume. But if we take it, we're going. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Do you want to hold this, or should you take? Are you going to overstay your welcome? 49. So what could happen? I mean, this is looking healthy. I would definitely be closing. If I was 10, I would definitely be closing here at 5. That candle is looking bearish. unless we can push back on the next one. So they decided to sell here, and they're gonna turn around to grab more. Let's see. Mm. Trend is up. Delta still positive. Even on this candle. So what do you want to do? Want to get out here? Are they gonna push? I don't think they had enough room to, enough volume to sell here. It wasn't enough. It was just one little fucking blip. There wasn't any volume there. So this must be the overnight trapped longs getting out. So we'll have to kind of do that a couple of times before we grind higher. It's 52, technically speaking. In 8 minutes, we could be up there. Trying one more time. On decent delta. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Beautiful. 900 delta. This is decent volume as well. Quite decent volume here, up here. What is it? 300? 500? Yeah, 511. 511 contracts traded up here. That's a good volume. And we are getting that push I wanted to get. Nice. Almost closed it here. But I like that. Yeah, we are getting into a resistance one more time. But here's reward. Just need to drive it up here. We're gonna close here, I think. 6 more minutes. So now they are accelerating the move. Now they have all of it. They're just gonna drive it. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We can just sell. Free here.
Order filled.
Hold this 2 into. We hold this 2 into 4425. of yes. They have come. We are holding the two contracts. Daughter. They could do a crazy Raven to grab something. We'll try to add into our position somewhere. If this drops somewhere here, we're gonna add.
Order submitted.
We'll definitely add here. Spy still has got some space to go. Yeah. Some data. Let me just quickly have a look. Federal budget balance. No. Okay. Yeah. Going back. Going back up. That's the place to sell. That's the place to sell. All these longs. If you want to sell it, you have to go up here. Because this is where all the shorts are sitting. If they didn't close, they're going to be closing up here. And we can even push higher. October 3-year ahead expected inflation steady at 3%. New York Fed. NY Fed. Yeah, okay. There you go. So if you try to short this, they will trap you. This becomes support. They will trap you, and they will take you higher, and you will become a petrol. You're gonna propel them off into the high. Looking good. 940. Delta's turning around as well. Price is pushing. 430. Am I too greedy? Am I too greedy? Nah. I'm gonna close this here, definitely. Close this here. 25. We have to close this up there. Ooh. Oh, wait a second. We overslept that bit because the time has changed. It's 4 p.m. They already pushed higher into the stops. Now we can drop. Now we can.
Order
really drop.
canceled.
Oh. Now we could really drop. Because we had stop losses up here. And they technically 2 ticks. So let's see if this candle is not gonna go back up there. Then we have to close. Volume is at 17. Yeah, 16, 17. So 17. It will be somewhere here. So they could go down there. They could go down here to grab that liquidity and then drive it up. It is possible. So $17, $16, just to grab this, touch view up. I could do that and then come back up. Yeah. This could be just a pullback to grab that liquidity and then go up again. Yeah. Yeah. Some buyers come stepping in. So now for 15 minutes we could just go down and then
get up. So, or maybe they just wanted to go and grab that liquidity from here, pull some shorts, and make them pay now by pushing it through 23. Yeah, I don't like this delta. It's kind of, let's see. Still above this. So if you trapped some shorts here, now they're going to be closing. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, they're going to be closing and we're going to push higher. Okay. Nice. Now these shorts are trapped. And they're gonna be getting out every time the price comes down here. This what is it? What's the number? Is it 821 contracts? Yeah. They're gonna be closing now. They have some stop losses here as well. Once we push through this, boom, we go up there. You're not happy when you were short down here. You're not happy now. Look at that. Imbalance. Imbalance on the buy side. These are the closing shorts. And now more buyers. What is NQ doing? Let's have a look quickly. What is it doing NQ? Alright, okay, NQ is here. I mean, everybody wants to go up there. Even Russell. They all want to go. 26. 26 is the place. 26 is the place. 11 points. That's okay. When we go out, I think that's here before. Oh shit. 9 past 4. Somebody was here selling. Somebody's impatient. There we go. Got some buyers. 22. 20 buyers. 20 contracts. 11 contracts. And 11 contracts. Again, this candle is looking better. And this one. Now we have a little bit of volume trapped here. Short side. That's what I want to see. I just want to see this push. And I'm going to be out. And that will be the end for me. For a while. Probably till the end of lunch I will come back. And see what can we do. But
Yeah, I wish I had 10 contracts. Because I got stopped here with 10 and it closed. Well, I'll be stopped anyway. And yeah, it takes time to lift off. It takes time. It just bounces, but suddenly you got this, and then you got this. And even now, it's ranging. And yeah, you got the breakout. But this is where they're all going. Yes, Nasdaq, Russell. I mean, we can even go higher, but let's not be crazy. Let's not be so greedy. We're closing at 25. Possible target 26 actually. I don't see a reason why not. The only problem is my discount to 25. Everybody will be closing, we'll come back, and we're just gonna be like, here's the volume basically. Is it worth to hold this for 10 points? Sorry, 2 points more on 2 contracts, MES. Let's just see. Can get this 26. Oh, at 25, yeah. And now again, sellers. Coming in. And they have a lot of time. They have another 15 minutes. Should drive through that 26. Good delta. Delta coming back. Good. $24.25. 20. How about 26? Let's see. Because that looks good to 1,634. That's fat candle. Let's see. It's just one contract. Doesn't really matter, but I just want to see if we push through this 26, and we'll probably get the move will be propelled into the upside. At the same time, let's think about shorting this now, because there is a possibility of having a good. So they're dropping before. Yeah, they're always gonna drop before that. Alright, I'm gonna close this.
Order
Yep. That space to push higher, but well, I'm just gonna stop here.